Hello everyone, in this video we will see how can you share file or folder in Fitteia and how can you delete them. To share a folder, click image, next the folder name you want to share. In the box, type the email address of the person you want to share it with and click share. This person will be able to access the folder, but they would not be able to delete files in it or share it with the other. And if you want to delete the files, then you can select the file on the left side and click the delete selected. The fit files have .sav extension. For example, here the results of overwrite and archive. Select one and click the delete selected. To delete the whole folder, check the box at the bottom and select delete selected again. To share a single file, to go the folder where it was saved and download it. In the menu, choose the file you want to share. For example, this one, click download and then it is saved in .sav file. That person can log in Fitteia and open the folder they want to add the file to and click upload. Then under choose the file, they can select the file from the computer and upload it into Fitteia. For example, I will upload basic 2. After uploading, if we click return, we see the basic 2 is now in the folder along with 2 files that were there before. Use this tool to share your fitting files with groups and someone others is useful. Okay, see you in next video.